Gabriel was sent by God to Nazareth in Galilee with a message to deliver. Behold, a child will be conceived, appearing to the Virgin Mary. Hail, full of grace, the Lord's with thee. Perplexed and troubled, Mary pondered what sort of greeting might this be. He said to her, "Don't be afraid, I'll explain it, you will see. The Holy Spirit will consume you, He Himself will plant the seed. You'll bear a son, you'll name Him Jesus. He will be the King of Kings. The Son of God will reign forever. He'll rule throughout eternity." Then Mary lifted up her head and quietly proclaimed, "Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. May it be done to me according to your word."
What sort of greeting might this be?